the correct reactivity in the given chlorides with acetate in acetic acid is. Now acetate ion is a weak nucleophile. Acetate ion is a weak nucleophile, so it will follow SN1 mechanism, and SN1 mechanism depends upon the stability of the carbocation intermediate formed. More is the stability of the carbocation formed, greater is the reactivity. Now in this case, this chlorine will leave as chloride ion. There will be positive charge on this carbon atom present here, and this positive charge on the carbon atom will be delocalized due to the presence of this pi electrons. So pi electrons shift here and positive charge will be delocalized at this position, because of which this carbocation is stable. Similarly, in this, let this be compound 1, compound 2, compound 3 and compound 4. In the second compound also same thing, chlorine leaves as chloride ion. Positive charge on the carbon atom gets delocalized due to the presence of pi electrons, but reactivity of the second compound is less than that of the first one, because methyl group, which is a big group, and chlorine, both of these will cause steric hindrance, because of which reactivity of the second compound will be less than that of the first compound. In the second compound, both methyl and chlorine are very close to each other and they lead to steric hindrance. In the third compound also, chlorine leaves as chloride. Positive charge is generated on the carbon atom, but this positive charge does not get delocalized. So reactivity of the third compound is less than that of the first and second. The fourth compound, chlorine is bonded to side chain. So here also chlorine leaves as chloride ion, and again the positive charge is not getting delocalized on the ring. Here again the positive charge is not getting delocalized. Therefore, the reactivity of the fourth compound is the least. So reactivity of the first one is greater than the second, second one is greater than the third, and third one is greater than the fourth. So correct option is option 2.